Who wants to watch me replace the battery on my laptop? Oh, this actually goes this way. Okay. So first, you take out all the screws, obviously. I had already done that, and I put them in this little container, so I know where they all are. And then you're going to use one of these little things to pop it all around the side. And once that's done, you can open her up. I've already brushed it off and gave it a nice blow job. Just like that. We got to take all the little pieces of tape off for the battery. There we go. Just start it from the battery and peel it back so you can put it back when it's done. It helps keep the battery from rattling around. So apparently it's double taped down. You just got to really pry on it. And it's kind of in two sections here. So we got a couple of them off. I'm going to pop the other one off carefully. There we go. Now we take always a plastic piece. Don't touch the metal to the motherboard. Or you could spark, just the tiniest little spark could destroy it. So see there's a little lever here, so I'm going to push on that. Well, I put some pressure going down. Okay, we finally got that unplugged. So see, it's taped on three different places with like double-sided tape. So you just got to keep prying and prying, and the same thing with a plug. You just got to keep prying and prying until you finally get it. Okay, I saw a little tiny spark. Nothing about this is exactly easy. I don't know, should I have that? Yeah, let's have it up, like that. Out of the way, press it back down, and then use the tape pieces again to tape the wires down. And then we get to replace this one. Now, just remember I have 3 long screws and a bunch of short screws. So the 3 long screws goes here, here, and here. And then all the short screws and all the other little holes. Oh, Jesus, come on. And the exciting part to see if it works without being plugged in. All right, now for the exciting conclusion. Does it work? Does it like turn on and stuff? Wow, it's filthy. Power button. We have lights. Oh my God. Well, it seems to be working. We've got lights. It's not plugged in anything over here. I believe the battery is working. That is good news.